All throughout Pasifika, we have the same issues. Why not get everybody together on one app and one website where you can create your own groups, your own subgroups, and you can talk about whatever you want with the people that understand where you're coming from. A lot of our languages are similar in structure and in word, so why not give those people a curriculum to teach their respective languages so that they can build their own platform within the app? And if they get enough positive feedback, verify their accounts so that people know that if they want to learn Tongan, follow her, Fijian, follow him. That way we're building everybody's language up for generations to come. So with that said, I'll be releasing a social media platform specifically for the people of Pasifika. You can talk about whatever you want, create your own safe spaces with like-minded people, teach your languages, you can shop, network, promote your own businesses, and more. So if you go to matosamoa.com right now, you're going to notice a lot of changes. Mato Samoa is going to be a subsection of the website and the app that's soon to be known as PasifikaPages.com. So excuse the mess, go over there and set up a profile, start some groups, discussions, upload videos, podcasts. It's a social media site. It's our social media site, PasifikaPages.com.